addition to the bullet train connecting Canada from coast to coast, the right-of-way created by that train could be used also for pipelines going from the east and the west from Alberta. In the west coast, I would recommend having them go out to an offshore fuel loading dock where the ultra-large crude carriers could dock at in order to have a competitive load to take to the rest of the world, probably Asia. On the east coast, they could probably use most of what we could ship them from Alberta in Quebec and Ontario. But what extra there was could be shipped to the east coast and would be available in that direction as well, to Europe and whatnot.